Welcome back to our Step 4 Part 2 video. It's just an extra video to show you how you can actually add pages to your website. It's very easy. So here we are on our Staging San Diego website, and CJ wants to add a page and make changes to some of the pages, which you'd already seen. So she goes to Pages, and you can see that the home staging resource set up the home, services, portfolio, and about us pages. She's gone in, edited each page so that she loves the way it looks, but she wants to create another page. The nice thing is that the home staging resource actually set up an optional page in the form of a draft that she can go in and make something. Maybe it's a what is staging, staging FAQs, or a for realtors, or redesign. Anything that she wants, she can create it and it'll go into the menu of her website. How does it go in the menu? Well, it depends on what she puts here. She wants to do an about staging page, give her readers a little more information. And so she puts about staging at the top so that it'll show in the menu, and she pasted in her content information in the page. So in this page, you see, because we already went through how to kind of edit and make changes, she pasted in kind of some information. She selected and italicized and bolded the information. She made about staging, whatever header she chose. She made it a header 1 because she wants all of her headers to be consistent and she knows that'll match the theme that we have chosen for her. And the photos there, she's in her visual mode. That's how she can see this photo. If she was in HTML, remember, she'd just see the HTML of the page, which is not what you want to do. You want to go straight to the visual. And she likes what she sees. She's ready to go live. Now she can either save this draft, and it'll continue to be a draft. Let's say you're working on a page and you're just not quite finished. That's fine. That's the beauty of WordPress is you can save it. It's in a draft mode, and it doesn't go live until you hit publish, meaning I want to publish it, so it's going to go live. The great thing is at any time, if she publishes it and doesn't like what she sees, let's just check it out. So we hit publish. Remember, at this yellow button we can view the page. Now you see she has her about staging link up here. Scrolling down, looks great. If she didn't like it, she could go back into the edit mode if she wished, and instead of the status being a published status, she can make it back into a draft and it would go away. But she likes the published status. So that page looks great. She wants to add another page. How do we do that? Very simple. Go over to where the pages are. She's already been in the edit mode, but now she wants to add a new page. She wants to have a page about redesign. And she's in the visual mode, and here's where she can say about redesign and type in or paste in what she wants. She wants to make that a header 1 just like all the others, and she wants to save this as a draft because she's just not quite sure whether she's done. By the way, if you like those photos at the top, she can go to the other pages. Let's say she wants the same photo that's in the About Us page. She's going to go to that. She's going to go to the HTML, and she's going to copy and paste that photo HTML, go back to her About Redesign page. Oh, and it actually brought her to the HTML where you actually see she just has a header 1 about redesign. She's going to paste in that photo thing, and she's going to publish. She's going to make it live, or she can go to the visual if she wants. And there's the photo that she likes. She can see it now. Now, I published it, which I probably should have done. That brought it right to the menu, and it gave it an order of 0, meaning it would go right up front to the home page rather than order 5, 6, and 7, which we'll talk about orders later on. But I want to make this a page that is under the About Staging page, meaning About Staging is the parent page. So if I update that, I'm going to show you what that looks like. Let's look at her site. And you'll see it's not in the menu anymore. It's underneath the About Staging. Very cool. You can do parent pages. You can add things to the menu. You'd have to order them as you go, which will be a new tutorial. But otherwise, you see how easy that is. Thanks.